Namaste. This is CA Dhananjay, faculty for Financial Management and Cost Accounting at Yeshas Academy. This video is for all the students who are going to write Group 2 of CA Intermediate in January 2026. I hope most of you have written Group 1 in September 2025, or some of you might have decided to write only Group 2 in January 2026. For those who wrote the exam in September Group 1, I got to know that your law paper was slightly above the difficulty level. If that is the case, then you have to be even more careful and start preparing without wasting a single day. Suppose you have written only one group in September. Two possibilities: you may pass Group 1, you may fail Group 1. Irrespective of that, do not wait till the result. Start preparing for Group 2 immediately once your exams are done, now itself. The reason is, suppose you don't clear Group 1 when the results are out somewhere in the last week of October. At least if you start preparing for Group 2 now itself, you will be much ahead in Group 2 preparation. Then you will be in a position to take up both the groups in January. Do not wait till the results are out. Second possibility, you may clear Group 1. Then if you start Group 2 preparation now itself, then you'll be ahead by 25-30 days. Then you'll get a lot more time in November and December to confidently do your Group 2 better in January. So irrespective of what is going to be the outcome of your September attempt, you should not wait for that result. You have to start preparing from the day you come out of your last paper. The other category of students will be those who have decided that they'll be writing only one group, that will be only in January. Now for all of you, September exam was not an exam at all. You have no reason to even wait. I don't know what are you even waiting for. And some students have just like that given a try for Group 1 in September. If you already know that you're not going to clear, please don't waste even a single minute. You're committing a big crime when you clearly know that September exam either you have not taken or you have taken and you're already very sure that you're not going to clear. Please don't waste time. Here are a couple of things that you can do for your Group 2 preparation. One, balance the practicals and theory very well. What happens with most of the students? They always start revising with practical papers, that is costing and FM. This entire 150 marks is pure problem solving, and you will spend a lot of time. You will feel good when you get the correct answers, and you waste too much of time later, and then you'll be left with only theory papers, that is audit 100 marks, strategic management 50 marks. Understand your Group 2, 150 marks is Group 1 and 150 marks is Group 2, correct? So you have to balance practical and theory from the very beginning itself. Make sure your plan is such that every day, whatever number of hours you have decided to study, let it be 50% practical paper, 50% theory. If you're doing costing, along with that do audit. Or if you're doing FM, also do SM. There is no fun in just solving practical sums and feel happy now, clearly knowing that you're pushing all theory papers for last 1.5 months, and it is very difficult to study only theory for too many long hours on a particular day. So the better thing is to balance practical and theory from the very beginning itself. Second, specifically with respect to audit, a lot of students have difficulty in writing the answers. They understand subjects very well, they know the answer, but they don't know how to convince the evaluator. The ability to write is where we have the problem, not ability to learn and understand, ability to write. So the only solution to this is start writing theory also. A lot of you commit this mistake. Practical sums you solve, you work out, fantastic. But theory, you don't even write short notes. You just read, you highlight, you underline, you mark things as important, and you feel you have done the revision well. But in exam hall, you'll have to write. You should have that ability to convince the evaluator. Knowing is one thing. Ability to convince the other person through your written answer is another thing altogether. From the beginning, make sure you practice writing. Read one full page of audit or SM, even FM and costing theory for that matter. Read a full page, close that, you write whatever you have read in your own words, in bullet points, and then you compare how it should be written as per ICI and how you have written. You see the difference in the quality of writing. Every day, make sure at least 3 to 4 page you write. And if you are writing Group 2 in January and we are doing this in September, You have entire October, entire November and December with you. Plus almost more than half of September is still with you. You have more than 100 days time. First 20-25 days, improve your writing, especially theory writing. The only way is to write. You can't improve your audit and SM marks unless you write. Please take this very, very seriously. Last but not the least. Sir, I have not taken the classes. What do I do? If you start attending the class now, class will go in its regular speed. It will be for some other batch, maybe May 2026 or even September 2026. It is better for you to go for the subscription model where you take 1 month subscription or 2 month subscription, in which you get the unlimited access for all the subjects of group 2. You don't have to take one full subject with 6 months or 12 months validity because you're not sitting with so much of time. All that you need is some topics, maybe of all subjects. So the better option for you is to go for subscription model. Yeshas Academy has come up with subscription model for both group 1 and group 2. You can take up only group 2 subscription, choose the month. If you think you can revise all the pending topics or the topics where you are weak in 1.5 months, then take 1 month subscription. Or you think you may need 2 months subscription, go for that. You can take group wise subscription also. The advantage is you get unlimited access, no watch time limits, and you get entire group 2. Some students are good in FM, they may need only SM. Some are good in SM but they need only 2-3 topics of SM, so they don't want to purchase the entire subject. You can go for the subscription model. And also, while you're watching those classes, make sure you have some time kept even for RTPs, mock test papers and the question papers. You will get even September question papers within a week or 10 days. If you are studying or revising in October, November and December, make sure you work out sums and answer the theory questions of RTPs, MTPs and actual exam question papers up till September. How many RTPs and MTPs to solve? Minimum 3. Minimum, I am saying. If you have more time, more is good. 4, fantastic. At least 3 RTPs, 3 MTPs and 3 question papers you have to solve. And when you are solving, solve it with examination seriousness. Keep in mind, you have 3 hours time in exam, 180 minutes, and you have to attend 100 marks paper. So roughly the ratio is about 1:2. 1 mark, 2 minutes. In fact, it is less than 2 minutes. So when you are working out a sum from latest question paper, if it is for 10 marks, you know your target is less than 20 minutes. Write it with that seriousness. Then most of you will get to know whether you are going too fast or too slow, or trying to be fast but doing silly mistakes. At least you will identify where you are wrong, where you are bad at, and you still have 2-3 months to correct it, right? I hope this video will help you in fine-tuning your preparation and working out your revision strategy. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video.